Alright, you guys all seem to really like the BA Falcon. More than my 33, which I've poured my heart and soul into. You guys like the BA Falcon more, so that's what you're getting, I guess. You're getting more BA Falcon content. I won't lie, I've done a few things to this car off camera. I had the rear subframe out and I swapped out the diff bushes because I've got to get this thing roadworthy. It's not registered, hasn't been registered in like 10 years, so I've got a fair bit of work left to do on it, which I guess I'm going to start filming now. You might also notice that the rear end isn't sacked anymore. I've gone ahead and chucked the factory springs in the rear, because believe it or not, having your rear tyres tucking in the guards isn't especially road legal. Other things I've done off camera, I had the gearbox out. The clutch in this thing isn't operational at the moment. There was a clip I put in the last video where I was driving it. I was doing that completely clutchless, which isn't fun. So I cleaned out the clutch fluid reservoir and tried bleeding the clutch. I did put a new slave cylinder in the box when it was on the hoist, just as a Hail Mary, but unfortunately that hasn't fixed our issue. Fortunately for us, the pressure plate looks in pretty good condition, and so does the clutch plate, so I'm going to be pointing my finger at the master now. Now the master cylinders in these are kind of weird. In pretty much every car I've ever worked on, the master cylinder's in the engine bay, but for whatever reason in these BA Falcons, the clutch master is there, behind the pedal, right above our carpet, which is really cool. So I'm hoping that in pulling that out, I don't put clutch fluid all over our carpet, but we'll just have to see how we go. I'm going to swap that out now and hopefully that fixes our issue. I have done the thing now. The new master is in and we have a working pedal. It was definitely a master, which is cool. So that means I don't have to replace the whole clutch in this, which is nice, and it was just the $40 master. But in the process of swapping the master, I have completely cracked one of the heater core hoses and there is fluid everywhere and I've made a huge mess. So I've won, but at what cost? I'm gonna have to make up something to work there for the time being. It's Sunday and I don't even know what time it is, but I'm assuming a lot of places are closed. I'm assuming the places that have that specific T-piece are closed. So I'm just going to find some random shit around here in one of my many piles of garbage, and hopefully we can make something that'll work for the time being, because I do want to drive this thing now that it's got a clutch pedal. I don't know, I imagine it's a much nicer experience. I'll cut back when I've done that. We'll get the car running and we'll test out the clutch, maybe. All right, well, we are in the Falcon now. I haven't really bled the clutch. I need to, because the engagement point's a bit funny, but I'm impatient and I suck. Alrighty. Nice, relaxing cruise in the BA, sunny on tilt, of course. I don't drive manual very often now, so I feel like a retard whenever I do. I'm sad that it doesn't smell like watermelons anymore and it just smells like burning coolant. Feel the brakes are super happy.
Oh,
yeah. Yep, that's loud and obnoxious. It's not fast, okay.
All it did was got to 60.
Well,
Quite good.
You got to imagine too, like when this car was built, the dude who built it was probably more interested in the noises. It's crazy how slow it is, isn't it?
It takes a while to get to 60, dude.
God damn. So, slight confession time. So the footage you guys all just watched is about 3 months old, and originally I wasn't going to post it because I sold that car. Initially the plan was to keep it, go get it registered, then I don't really know. Like did little bits and pieces to it, but with the 33 taking up so much time and money and me never getting around to the FC, I kind of just decided that I didn't really want to pump the time and money into building another car before I got around to doing ones that I've already planned on doing. So we sold the BA, and I was going to call it at that, just not post anything and just leave it there. But yesterday I picked up another car. So we have a replacement for the BA. You guys are never going to guess what it is. I think this video is probably going to be real short. The footage that I filmed previously for the BA, I think it wrapped up to like 5 minutes worth of footage, all edited. The new car is a little bit more exciting than the BA. It's just another BA. It needs Jesus, so I will be making some videos on this one because it's pretty cool. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next Falcon video, I guess.